5 things to look out for in a coffee creamer. Some people like their coffee black. But maybe you're not one of them. Maybe for you, a cup of coffee isn't really coffee until you've stirred in some of your beloved coffee creamer. Using conventional coffee creamer isn't the end of the world. But you can do better. This list of unsavory additives and ingredients just might give you the push you need. Number 1. Weird thickeners. Most store-bought coffee creamers aren't actually made with cream. Instead, they get their rich, velvety mouthfeel from thickening agents and emulsifiers like carrageenan, a thickener thought to cause inflammation and digestive problems. Number 2. Artificial flavors. That comforting caramel, hazelnut, or mocha aroma that makes waking up at the crack of dawn slightly more bearable? Sure, it could be derived from natural sources. But chances are, the tantalizing smell and flavor is completely, 100% fake. Number 3. Bizarre preservatives. A carton of real milk or cream will stay fresh for at least a week in the refrigerator. But unless you're guzzling coffee creamer like water, there's no way you're gonna finish the giant container in a mere 7 days. Food manufacturers know this, so they make life easy by adding mold inhibitors like sodium stearoyl lactylate and dipotassium phosphate. Number 4. Partially hydrogenated oils. Thickeners alone can't make a cream-free liquid taste luxuriously creamy, which is where partially hydrogenated oils, or trans fats, come in. These highly processed fats are downright dangerous, raising levels of bad cholesterol, and put you at higher risk for heart disease. That's why most experts say you should avoid them completely. Even in your coffee. Number 5. Artificial sweeteners. In an effort to make coffee creamers ultra-sweet and delicious without turning them into sugar and calorie bombs, manufacturers rely on fake sweeteners like sucralose. Problem is, sucralose can still cause your blood sugar to spike, which findings suggest could up your risk for type 2 diabetes. Have a great one. Hopefully, you just took a break mid-read to go toss that half-empty carton of creamer in the garbage. But if the mere thought of trying to drink your morning mud black is still making you gag, you're gonna need an alternative. Once your coffee's ready, just stir in a spoonful or 2 of creamer. Then, get ready to head to your happy place. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.